Hello guys, this video is on how to run a program in idle. So let us check first what is idle. Idle is a integrated development environment for Python. For more information, go to your Google and ask for it. First you have to install idle. After successful installation, it will appear in your machine. To check it is installed or not, just type here IDLE. Here it is. Just click on it. This is a typical window for idle. For a simple code like 3 plus 2, you can do it here itself. But for multiple line code like a script for making a calculator or etc., you need a file mode. So new file. So here I will, for example, I will show you how to write a code here. I am writing a code here for find a factorial of a number. So first let's check program for factorial of a number. Okay, so let's get started. A equals to input teacher input, then go for a string number. Then for in command a. Maybe some of your viewers will not understand this code, but we will see in future for this code. I'm just showing an example here, so don't. Also add into x, then print real number, sorry, factorial of is, then format a comma f. See, we have written a complete program here. To run this program, here it is a menu run, or simply you can just press F5. See, to run this model you have to first save it, so just save. Here you have to, then I will save this as a practice02 dot py. Dot py is an extension for Python files, so just save it. time. Unexpected. Oh, sorry. Here you have to give. Now this program is completed. So F5. Okay. So we will find a factorial of a 6. Factorial of a 6 is 720. So I hope you should understand the concept. So thank you for watching this video.